Sisters. Constant in our readings for today, from the first reading until the Gospel, is once more this constant thought of the hardened heart that hopefully all of us are working on, from a hardened heart to something that is passionate. The Lord Himself commented that His people bore in them the hardness of their evil hearts, because these people did not obey Him, did not heed His voice. Tumalikod sila sa kanilang Panginoon. May sinamba at mas may pinaligan pa silang mga taong gagabay at kasama nila sa kanilang buhay. Shall we say a heart that is not anymore surprising, a heart that is not anymore alive and kicking in terms of being amazed with the goodness of God. And also, we've heard how the people reacted after they have witnessed Jesus driving out a demon. Imbis na sila ay mamangha, inisipan nilang siguro si Jesus parte ng kampo ng kasamaan. And once more, we recognize the hardness of their hearts. Instead of amazement, there came a sudden grief of arrogance, a sudden turn of the evil thoughts inside of them, ang katigasan ng kanilang puso. And we've seen their efforts, the Lord instructing them, the Lord reminding them of their lives, or reminding them of His words, so that there can be transformation. Maging maamo ulit sila, makinig muli sila sa Diyos, maniwala muli sila kay Jesus, na nakita nilang may ginawang magandang bagay sa kanila. My dear sisters and brothers, more than our concrete acts of charity and mercy throughout these 40 days of Lent, more than intensifying our prayer and our sense of belongingness with others. Sabi ko nga po sa mga nakaraang kong pagninilay, ang paglalakbay ng Kwaresma ay paloob. Let us check on our hearts if our hearts are the same with these people. Hardened dahil hindi na namamangha, dahil ayaw nang makinig sa Diyos, dahil ayaw nang sumunod sa Diyos. And isn't it that we always hear the Word of God? We encounter the Word of God preached and taught by everyone around us. We see it in social media. We hear it from people. We celebrate it in the Eucharist. And let that Word, let that presence of God transform that hardened heart to a passionate one. Kinakanta nga po natin at nakanta nga ho natin ito kanina sa pasimula ng misa. Buksan ang aming puso at turuan mong mag-alab. Ayaw naman ho nating tapusin natin na ang 40 araw na ito na parehas lang ang puso natin noong nakaripas na mga panahon. Hayaan ho natin ng magwika ang Diyos upang sirain ang matitigas nating puso patungo sa mga pusong nag-aalab, mga pusong kayang mamangha muli, mga pusong kayang sumunod muli, at mga pusong kayang mahalin muli ang Diyos na nananatili sa atin at nagmamahal sa atin.